Hi guys, so I just wanted to come on and quickly show you this electric toothbrush I was gifted from Fairywill. I will tag them below, so make sure you go and give them a follow and maybe purchase a toothbrush for either yourself or somebody in your family or a friend for a gift or something, or just treat yourself. So this toothbrush comes in a plastic case, a black one, so it's very neat and stuff, and then it says there name in white in the middle, which I just think this looks super like neat and stuff. And then it has all the, you can't really see on the camera, it has the bits here to make sure the toothbrush stays in one place. So when you open it, you'll be able to see that obviously it hasn't got a head on it, but it comes with 3 boxes of heads, which I think is super cool, because when you go to the store and buy an electric toothbrush, it doesn't come with loads of heads, which is very annoying. You have to buy them separate, but with this toothbrush you've got it all like there, and when you want to change the head you can do so straight away without having to walk out your house and stuff. So obviously it comes with 8 heads, this one. So at the minute I've just put this one on. It's like a turquoise kind of colour, light blue and like a darker blue. So there's a few different ones of this as well, and then there's also a head which is good for getting all like your food out your teeth, because obviously some foods make like your teeth look really dirty just because they're stuck in there, and obviously you don't want to have food stuck in your mouth all day. So I think this is just really handy, especially as it comes with the toothbrush. So there's obviously 8 heads. It's just, I'm so happy because I have an electric toothbrush, but it's white, and I feel like the black ones look nicer, and also with like the champagne kind of gold colour here, just makes it think just a lot nicer than any other normal one, because it's plain black but also with like a bit of white and the champagne kind of colour. There's also lots of different settings, so it tells you when you got, it's like white, clean, sensitive, polish, massage, and it will tell you when you need to charge it. It's not just going to run out on you without you knowing, because my electric toothbrush I have, it doesn't tell me when it's going to die, so it just dies. So I have to keep it on charge at all times, which is a bit annoying. This toothbrush doesn't come with a charger, but there is a little hole here for you to charge it. If you don't have one, you can literally just go to your local shop, your big superstore, and get one. They're not too expensive or anything, but I have one, so luckily I won't have to go to the shop and get myself one, because I already have one from my other toothbrush. But yeah, I truly love this toothbrush. I think it looks a lot nicer than my other one, and just looks really tidy. So I'm super happy about this. I will definitely be using this in a little bit once I've had my lunch. So yeah, thank you so much for sending me this, Fairywill. Make sure you go and give them a follow, guys. Maybe purchase one of the toothbrushes for either you or somebody else, like a friend or a family member. So yeah, thank you. Bye.